Hey guys, welcome back to PED 110. So we've completed our first unit, which is kind of really just the introductory part of the course. And now we're going to get into specific areas of health-related fitness. And our first area is cardiorespiratory endurance. And we start with this area because really we're talking about heart health here, as well as obviously with respiratory with our lungs. But taking care of our heart is one of the most important things we can do. And while there's genetic factors that can impact our heart health, certainly environmental factors and things that are within our control, such as our diet and exercise, um, plays a significant factors in heart health, and not just our heart but our vascular system and then also our respiratory system. And so through this chapter you'll learn to assess where you currently are and then identify how you can maintain and improve in this specific area. So you've got your chapter 3 checklist, your chapter 3 video, the PowerPoint, the quiz, your lab, and the physical activity monitoring report. Most of you are doing a great job with the physical activity report. Remember, if you haven't heard from me, that means you're doing exactly what I'm expecting you to do. I want to remind you to always look for a full green bar for your checklist. That way you know that you've completed all the assignments. If there's any white, that means that you've missed something. This week I do want to emphasize the labs because it's a little bit different this week. Let me pull up the lab here. So if you'll notice this week you have 2 labs for chapter 3. Complete both of them. Now when you click on this fitness test lab, it's going to give you 3 activities. So it may not show that the lab is complete because you didn't do all 3, but you choose one of these particular fitness tests, and then you also create or complete the other lab, which helps you identify how to monitor or measure your heart rate. Okay, which is really important when you're exercising. That way you're monitoring your fitness levels and making sure that you're getting enough intensity in to where you're getting gains but not too much that would put you at risk. Okay, so you choose one of these fitness tests. 1.5 mile run, 1 mile walk test, or step test. Obviously the step test is the easiest. Just important that you have the proper materials there so it's safe for you to complete that step test. But you can do one of these 3. Again, you don't have to do all 3. So one of those, and then backing out of there, the heart rate lab also. Okay guys, a pretty straightforward week. As always, I'm here if you need me. We're making progress right along. In fact, we're over the quarter way mark now, and so the semester really flies by, so continue to stay on top of things. Alright, have a great week, and I'll talk to you for chapter 4 next week. Take care.